Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you know that how many persons and who checked your Instagram profile on your Instagram application here. So basically, how can you know that if someone checked your profile, then who is that person? How can you find it out? So basically, we just have to go on our Instagram, and the one thing you can do, you cannot search it like directly. So I will just tell you a a single thing that you can know. So when you scroll to the down, you can see there is so many notifications here, and when you see there is suggestions, so these suggestions are proof that someone checked your profile on your Instagram, so maybe the person was among them. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe this channel if you liked, and we will again meet with the next and the best video.